Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm that girl Nikki. So today I'll be making for you what you call a traditional lasagna. So if you're interested in that, please stick around. Make sure that you like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to be notified of the next video post. Alright, stick around. Guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be making lasagna. So here are my ingredients. So I have my lasagna noodles, have some cheese over here, cheddar cheese. I have some mixed cheese over here as well, some onion, garlic, sweet pepper or minced beef, some season, and this is the sauce we're going to be using, and oil and so forth. So we'll go light the stove now and get back to you on that. Alright guys, welcome back. So my saucepan is hot now, so I'm gonna pour my oil in it and then I add my minced beef. So just a minute when I grab my oil. So I'm gonna pour some oil in it and then add, so not too much, because you know the minced beef has its own oil. Ooh, not too much, not too much. Right. And then I just add the minced beef. Now I'm gonna add the minced beef to that. So now I'm gonna just break this up. Break it up, it's break up, I'll make it brown, and then I'm just gonna chop up my onion and garlic and add that in. So stick around. Alright guys, so all our meat is now brown, so we're just gonna add our chopped onion and garlic into that. So yep, you're gonna see that now. Alright, so just add that in now. Stir it around with it and let it cook down with it. Alright, so now we're just gonna add some like mixed powdered season. So I have some all-purpose season, meat seasoning and stuff mixed up in this little pot over here. This, so I'm gonna add that in now. Make that one cook down with it. Come together now. So we're just gonna cover that and then we're gonna chop up the sweet pepper after and put it in. I'm gonna add the sweet pepper in when I'm adding the tomato sauce thing. Yeah, that's when I'm gonna add it in. Yeah, so just gonna cover that now and let that simmer. So yep, so the next thing I think I'm going to do now is to boil my noodles. So yep, this is the next ingredient inside it. We're just going to go over to the pot now and add that real quickly. So let's do that. We're gonna add this to it, not much, just a little. Let's see how it's here. So see how it stay first. Then we know if we want more. I don't want to put too much. Alright. I think you can take a little bit more. Ooh. Now we're gonna add the sweet peppers. So just add this now and just make this simmer down for a while. And that's the water over there, so for the noodles. So yep, and we'll just cover that simmer and we'll get back to it in the finish. Guys, so now you see it's time to add our noodles because our water is boiling up. Alright, so see our noodles here. Yep, so we're gonna add some. Don't know how much I need yet, but I'm just going to put something with our code. So one sheet, or should I do a bigger pot? Anyway, done gone bad already. 2 sheets. I know when it's soft, that go down. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I think one box will do. 10. 12. Oh gosh, I should really use a bigger pot. I don't know how much I'm going to need, you know, guys. I'm just gonna go and put, alright? When it's done, we show them. Okay guys, see there, everything now boil down in the pot. So we'll wait for that boil and get a little softened. Because remember, it's going to go into the oven, so you don't have to overboil it. And this is our meat. Ooh, it's going good. It looks like it basically done now. So let me just quickly stir. Like this, yeah. Yep. That's it. So we're gonna do this. Guys, so everything is now finished, so we're gonna just make this is our local pan that we're gonna bake it in. So we'll just put some of the meat in over there and spread it out. Make the first layer. You have to put really a lot on the first layer. Just want to spread it out, you understand? And our oven is being preheated as well as we do this. Alright, so yeah, that's it, yeah, that's it, yeah, that's it. So this is how we do our first layer. So now we're gonna take our noodles and go next. So this is the noodles. Let's spread them out like this. Alright. Sorry. Yeah. And then we're gonna just do another one, overlapping that one. Alright. So you see where I get it now? And then we're gonna take another one. The same thing. overlap it. Alright, so guys, usually everybody or most people use what they call ricotta cheese. I don't have that. What I have is some cheddar cheese I mixed up with some other type of cheese, and I put a little seasoning on it, all-purpose season, and egg is in this. I'm gonna just spread that over this as well. Alright, so I just think I just doing one layer of this, really, just one layer. A bit left in it. Alright, so I'm gonna free-hand it because as you can see I have the other hand holding the camera. Alright, so that's it for this little cheese thing that I made instead of using ricotta cheese. And then we're just gonna go back, repeat the same thing. Oh, sorry, other cheese, other cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Some of the sprinkle look like that. Don't have much too, so yeah, that's it. And then we're gonna just repeat the same thing with the meat, then the that, then the meat, then the that. Yep. Alright, so I want to do probably one more layer. I'm not know how much layer I can get out of this. I think I maybe have put too much in the thing there. Alright, so we do a layer of this. So, that's how it goes. That's how you go. So this is where I think I got confused, guys. So I forgot the steps. I forgot I should have put more cheese, and then in that container it was mostly cheddar cheese. There was no mozzarella, so I think this is where I went wrong, and not having that much cheese, because this is a very cheesy dish, that had made it not come out together as I expected it as one and stuff forth. So as I go, we'll learn. It's the first time I was making lasagna, by the way. I didn't know it, remember if I mentioned it, so this was one of the reasons. So you see, I went back when I realized and put the cheese on the layer. Yeah, and then the other pack of cheese that I had with the 4 mixed cheeses, that actually was just a little bit, so it couldn't even make up. So yes, I go. As I said, it never come out perfect together, but taste was off the chain. So alright.